our simple problem. We want to convert the DFA, given NFA, which is represented like this with this table, and we want to convert. So today we are going to discuss the conversion method. Method 2, which is more easier. Okay, so now in this, now you will observe that how quickly we could draw the DFA for given NFA. Okay, so now carefully observe. This is my given NFA. So if I want to draw it with the help of transition graph, I will be having two states, Q0 and Q1 only. Q1 is nominated as final state. So Q1. So Q0 on 0 moves to 0, Q0 as well as to Q1. Is it? Same way, Q0 on 1 moves to Q1. Then Q1 on 0 moves nowhere, and Q1 on 1 moves to 0. On 1 moves to Q0, and on 1, Q1 on 1 also moves to Q1. So there will be a self loop. So this is a transition graph for this given NFA. So this is your NFA, and you want to convert this NFA with the direct method into a DFA. Now how to do it? See, are you able to listen me? I hope you are listening, and if not, just inform me. So see what to do. Very first, we will copy. This is the first step. See, we will copy as it is Q0, right? Now we will check for every input symbol. So here, what is our input? Our input alphabet is 0 and 1. So we will check in NFA. Q0 on 0 moves to where? So it is moving to Q0 as well as it is also moving to Q1. So this indicates that since it is a DFA, we cannot have this two transition in DFA, right? We have already discussed this. So what we need to do is we need to union all the states by this 0 you are moving to, and we need to nominate this state as Q0, Q1. So Q0 on 0 moves to Q0 as well as Q1, right? Now since Q1 is here final state, and here also the Q1 is involved, I need to make this state as a final state. I hope this is very clear. So what I have done, I have checked Q0 on 0 moves where, and accordingly I have nominated its state, which is combination of all the states by a single symbol it is moving to. So it is moving to Q0, Q1. Next, Q0 on 1 moves to which state? So Q0 on 1 moves to only one state, that is named as Q1 state. So I will here Q0 on 1 moves to Q1 state. Since it is a final state, I need to also make it as a final state. Is it clear? Okay. So Q0 on 0 moves to Q0, Q1, Q0 on 1 moves to Q1. So turn of Q0 is over. Now there is a turn of Q1. So Q1 on 0 moves where? So as here in this diagram as well as in this table also, Q1 on 0 moves nowhere. So there will be no transition for which state? Q1 state. We are talking about now Q1 state, right? So Q1 on 0 moves nowhere, so there will be no indication in this diagram. Then Q1 on 1 moves to Q1 as well as Q0. Okay, so whether such a named state is available in this diagram? Yes, so it is already available. So what I'll do, I'm combining all these steps. So in first step, we have done this. In second step, we have done this. Now in third step, what we have done, we have tried to find out all the transition for Q1. So here Q1 on 0 moves nowhere, but Q1 on 1 moves to Q1 as well as Q0. So there is a combination of state Q0, Q1, to which on 1 this Q1 is moving, which is already available. So I will just make a transition as this. So Q1 on 1 moves to a Q0, Q1. So now this is over. But is it a final NFA, DFA? No, it is not a final DFA, because we have seen that there is a new state generated which is named as Q0, Q1. So we need to find out what will happen if any input with 0 alphabet is given to this state. So how to find out it? So what we will do? So we are having now state as delta Q0, Q1. Okay, comma 0. Then what will happen? So it is nothing but whatever is the combination. So same thing. What it is? Q0 on 0 and Q1 on 0. Wherever it is moving. So Q0 on 0 moves to what? Q0, Q1, right? So similarly, Q0, Q1 on 0 will be moving to what? So see here, delta Q0, Q1, comma 0 will be nothing but delta Q0, comma 0 union delta Q1, comma 0. So delta Q0, comma 0, Q0, comma 0 is giving you state Q0, Q1, right? And union delta Q1 on 0, Q1, this is Q1, on 0 there is no movement, so it is a 5. So finally you are getting the state as Q0, Q1. So I need to say that Q0, Q1 on 0 moves to itself. Okay, same way delta Q0, Q1, comma 1, it is moving toward delta Q0, comma 1 union delta Q1, comma 1. Okay, so in this case what you will get? You will get again Q0 on Q0 on 1. So Q0 on 1 moves to Q1 only, right? So here Q0, in this table also you can see Q0 on 1 moves to Q1 only. So it is giving you the state as Q1 union delta Q1 on 1. So delta Q1 on 1 moves to a state which is named as Q0, Q1. Okay, so finally union of this will be Q0, Q1. So we have to mark again the state as Q1. So in this way we will get a DFA. Is it a DFA? Yes, for every state with a single symbol you are moving to a single state. On 0, on 1, only two outgoing transitions. Similarly Q1, 0 for there is no transition, so nowhere 0 with Q1 state, but Q1 on 1 moves to a single state, and again Q0, Q1 on 0 moves to single state and on 1 moves to single state. So this is a very simple method, easy method to convert the given NFA to DFA. So I hope you have understood it. Now we will also try same example which we have discussed yesterday, okay, and try to see whether we are really getting the same type of graph or not. So this is your equivalent DFA. So if you again nominate this with a B and C. In our last discussion, to which state we have made it as ABC. So accordingly you can make it. So I am making here, maybe it will be B. So C, 0, 1. This is 0, this is 1. This is a final state, this is a final state. And then on 1 you are moving to this. So this is your DFA, finalized DFA. So if you will verify with the other method, so let me show. So in the other method also we have got the same type of, that is first method. Have we got the same thing? Just check. So this was our DFA. Is it? Is it matching? Just check. So I hope you are able to see both the diagrams. Is it? So now Q0 on 0 moves to Q0 Q1. Here also Q0 on 0 moves to Q0 Q1. It is a final state. This is also a final state. Q0 on 1, Q0 on 1 moves to Q1. Here also Q0 on 1 moves to Q1. Q1 is a final state. Same way, Q1 on 1 moves to Q0 Q1. Q1 on 1 moves to Q0 Q1. And there is a self loop for 0 1. Here also you are having self loop for 0 1. So in this way, you have to convert the given NFA to a DFA using direct method.